A good scallion pancake should have a bit of shine. And it should be flaky. Let's get straight into it. Here are the ingredients you need for the dough.
你拿着什么？
拿着面粉，这是盐，这个是葱油。
Now that you have all the ingredients gathered together, it's time to combine them. First, weigh the flour out. And then add a spoon of salt to the flour. Oh no!
这是放这里，大哥，放错了，没关系。It's okay， 没关系。再来一遍，我们放。起来，起来。
我们再来一次。
Okay, let's try that again. Add a spoon of salt to the flour. Then pour in the water. Stir it together. And add a bit of oil.
现在放。
妈妈放啊。
Or have mom do it. Mix everything together again. And let it rest for about 5 minutes. Then it's time to knead it. Massage and divide the dough into pieces, and then rub some oil on it.
一个、两个、三个、四个、五个、六个。
Then we're gonna wrap it up with plastic and let it rest for about an hour. Cut the scallions and season it with salt, flour, and your favorite spices. The flour is important. It keeps the pancake layers from sticking together. Heat up a generous amount of oil and add it to the mix. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the dough. Let's test its elasticity. It needs to have some of that stretchiness so that the final product isn't stiff.
哎，不能吃的。哎。
Now we're gonna flatten it. Take a rolling pin and flatten it a little bit more. See, the dough is easier to roll now. Then we're gonna spread some of that scallion oil all around.
要把这个菜全部放在均匀的，对不对？
哦，均匀的，我们把这个菜放在均匀这样。
And roll it up finely. Then we're gonna roll it up again until it basically looks like a snail shell. Amazing! These swirls are what creates the layers. Now we're gonna flatten them out again. And finally, we're gonna heat up a generous amount of oil and fry it in a pan. And that's it! If you want, you can add an egg on top. And drizzle the whole thing with some sweet and sour sauce or mayo.
好吃吗？
Then sit back, relax, and enjoy.